If you have oily skin, you might think that wrinkles and fine lines are the least of your worries. After all, oily skin tends to be plump and youthful looking, right? While it's true that excess oil can temporarily keep skin looking more hydrated, there's a hidden challenge. Oily skin is not immune to aging. Over time, environmental factors, sun exposure, and poor skincare habits can lead to breakouts, enlarged pores, and even premature signs of aging like fine lines and sagging. The real question is, how do you manage the oil without compromising on anti-aging care? The good news, you don't have to choose between combating oil and fighting wrinkles. With the right products, you can control excess shine while still treating the signs of aging, leaving you with a flawless, youthful glow. So, what's the secret to effective anti-aging skincare for oily skin? Let's break it down. 1. Start with a gentle, oil-free cleanser. Cleansing is key for oily skin, but you don't want to strip away essential moisture. Look for a gentle, oil-free cleanser with salicylic acid. This will help clean out your pores and remove excess oil without over-drying your skin. Keeping your skin balanced is essential for preventing both oil buildup and fine lines. 2. Use lightweight, oil-free moisturizers. It may seem counterintuitive, but oily skin still needs moisture. The trick is to use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Look for formulas with hyaluronic acid, which provides deep hydration without clogging pores or adding extra shine. This will help keep your skin plump and firm, fighting the loss of elasticity that comes with aging. 3. Add retinoids to the mix. The secret weapon for any anti-aging routine. Retinoids, whether you use retinol or a prescription-strength retinoid. This powerful ingredient helps to boost collagen production, speed up cell turnover, and smooth out fine lines. Even if you have oily skin, retinoids can help reduce the appearance of pores, balance oil production, and keep your complexion looking fresh. 4. Exfoliate regularly, but gently. Exfoliation is crucial for keeping oily skin clear, but you don't want to overdo it. Too much scrubbing can irritate the skin and cause more oil production. Look for chemical exfoliants like AHA's alpha-hydroxy acids or BHA's beta-hydroxy acids that help slough off dead skin cells without harsh scrubbing. These acids will keep your pores clear, smooth texture, and reduce the risk of aging signs caused by clogged skin. 5. Don't skip sunscreen. While oily skin may feel shiny on its own, it's still vulnerable to the harmful effects of the sun. Sun exposure can cause dark spots, sagging, and premature wrinkles, even in people with oily skin. So, whether you're in your 20s or 40s, don't let oily skin stop you from embracing anti-aging skincare. With the right routine, you'll not only look younger, but your skin will feel healthier and more vibrant. 2. Say goodbye to greasy skin and hello to a glowing, ageless complexion.